Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you are watching this, and welcome back, or welcome here to Visual Fitness. My name is Annette. I am a personal trainer, a yoga instructor, and nutrition coach. I'm very excited about this new series of video that I'm starting today, and what we're going to be doing is incorporating acupressure into our yoga practice. So I have in front of me my Shakti acupressure mat. I love this thing. If you have an acupressure mat, and you're here to learn what more you can do with the acupressure mat other than just lay on it. If you're looking to expand your yoga practice, add something new, spice it up a little, if you will, this is the video for you. I'm going to be doing a wide range of areas of the body, focusing on the acupressure. Today we are going to be doing the feet. If you have an acupressure mat, if you are ready to take the leap, you can get that down in front of you, and you can do this with socks on. I'm going bare feet, but if your toesies are a little too sensitive still, or if you've never done acupressure on your feet before, then I recommend trying it out with some socks first. Obviously, if you do not have an acupressure mat, you can feel free to just join in and do this little flow with us. Keeping in mind that we will not be moving the feet throughout this. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be keeping grounded on our mats, and it's going to be a good installment of some meditation, fascia massage, and yoga. So it's going to be very centering. We're going to go through the flow twice, but you can of course go through this as many times as you see fit. Also, if you get uncomfortable at any point, don't hesitate to step off of your mat or to add a pair of socks if you tried it out bare feet the first time. Make yourself comfortable. We don't want this to be painful in any way. Let's get going. I've got my mat down in front of me, and what we're going to do for the first minute or so is we're just going to take our time stepping on the mat and getting into a comfortable place. Get into your spot, settle in to your little spikies. Take some deep breaths in through the nose, out through the mouth. And really send all of that breath down in towards your feet, into your mat. Feel it in your toes, in between your toes. Take as much time as you need here. Some people can get adjusted to the spikies fairly quickly, and others need a little bit more time to settle into the sensations. Really just do what your body is comfortable with. So we're going to start incorporating some arm movements in with our breath, and again we're trying to send our energy down to the floor. Arms up into a mountain pose. Hold for a big inhale. Arms come down. And then inhale. If you can, try to get a little back bend in. Exhale, release. We're going to do one more, and as you inhale, we're going to do a nice big back stretch. Move those shoulders, pull everything up with your breath, and then when you exhale, just push it all down. Watch out for any plants that are within your vicinity. So now we're going to go up into a mountain pose on an inhale, and we're going to go down into a forward bend on the exhale. We're going to spend a few breaths down here. You can touch the floor, grab your ankles, do a bit of flowing while you're down here. Again, don't do anything that feels painful. We're going to just take our time in these positions. Move side to side. All while keeping your feet planted. And then we're going to take one more big breath here. And then we're going to roll up on the next inhale. So now we're just going to stand in center. Feel your feet grounded in the mat. The sensation should be changing about now on your feet. If it was a little bit painful or uncomfortable initially and you toughed through it, then it should start to feel a little more relaxed, a little more heat in those feet muscles and the fascia. Okay, so now we're going to try to bring our upper body in line with the lower body. I want you to bring your arms up into cactus. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do some pull backs. Really try to put those shoulder blades center. And then exhale, we're going to move forward. Ooh. Trying to release the tension in the upper body that's also being released down below. Inhale, pull back. Exhale, forward. Back to center. Now we're going to clasp your hands behind the back, and then we're going to go into another forward bend. Slow. Take a couple deep breaths here. And then slowly come back up. All right. And that is what we're going to be repeating. So now we're going to take an inhale, go up into mountain, do a little back bend if you can, if you want, if it feels good. And then on the exhale, we're going to slowly lower down to forward fold. Get comfortable down here for a few breaths. Next inhale, we're going to raise slowly. Exhale. Take a minute and just acknowledge any sensations in your feet, in your legs, in your upper body. We should be starting to lose a fair amount of that upper tension as well as the lower tension. On the inhale, we're going to bring our arms up. Inhale, push your cactus arms back. Squeeze those shoulder blades together. And exhale, bring forward. Inhale, pull back those shoulder blades. Exhale. Hands clasped behind the back. Big, big inhale. And exhale. Drop down. Next inhale, come up. Exhale, release. I love doing these because I kind of feel like I'm floating afterwards. So now you can feel free to repeat that flow as many times as you want to, as you need to. Or you can step off your mat with me right now. Very slowly, just peel your foot off of the mat. And the other. Take a couple deep breaths. Whew. It seemed simple, but that was intense. Shake it out of your feet if you need to. Big, big inhale. And center. If you enjoyed this, feel free to subscribe. I'm going to be posting several other videos. We're going to be doing our bums for the next one, and then we will also be doing upper back. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, and we'll be putting these videos into a playlist, so if you come in on a later one, you can always come back to this one. Thank you so much for being here, and we will see you in the next one.